January 1, 2026. So this is day 1 out of 365 days of Abundant Life Blessing series. So this is from the book Abundant Life by Nancy Guthrie. Today's title is I am making you into a new person. So in 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verses 17 to 18 it says, anyone who belongs to Christ has become a new person. The old life is gone, a new life has begun, and all of this is a gift from God. In your old life, you lived for yourself, for what brought you temporary pleasure, for what made sense in your worldly way of thinking and had value in your worldly way of measuring worth. I love you far too much to let you linger in that old life. That life is gone for good. The old you is gone for good. I've made you into a completely new creation, fresh and new on the inside, blessing you with a fresh perspective about what really matters and a youthful vigor for pursuing me. This newness is no self-willed fix yourself up, become a better you self-improvement project. Your newness is not an effort I required of you, but a gift from me, a work of my spirit from start to finish. So for today's reflection, I am making you into a new person. So very relatable siya, no, especially for someone like me na matagal din ba na nalayo sa Diyos, and I feel like yun bang parang mas easy na ipagpatuloy lang yung worldly na pananaw mo sa buhay or worldly way of living. Mas easy pa siya kaysa magbalik loob sa Kanya. But He wants us to make us into a new person, especially when once we accept God in our life, He will help us turn into a new person. Pero hindi siya ganyan kadali, no, na yun bang parang katulad ng New Year's resolution, New Year, New Me. No, hindi siya ganyan kadali. Very easy lang gumawa ng resolution or parang New Year, New Me, ganyan. Pero yung talagang i-live mo siya every day, yung sinasabi mo na New Year's resolution mo, na i-live mo siya every day, na panindigan mo, hindi siya ganyan ka-easy. So, it's the same with accepting God in our life, na hindi siya one time lang na, okay, I accept God in my life, then yun na. Hindi everyday siya na challenge na to live up to His way talaga. Today's prayer. Lord, I know I am new and yet I find myself so easily embracing old habits, old grudges, old patterns of thinking. I'm turning toward you today, Lord, so that I can walk in this newness of life in the words I speak, the thoughts I think, the pleasures I enjoy. At times when it gets hard and when it's so difficult to live the life that you want us to live, dahil mas easy nga yung parang mas easy maging masama kaysa maging mabuti. So please, Lord, give me the strength to go on and the courage to say no when I really want to say no, and say yes when it's the right thing to do. So, new year, new me. Lord, give me the strength to live the life that pleases you. Amen.